All right, man. Yeah, I'm gonna quit playing with y'all. Yeah, I was doing something new. I was just thought of something right off the spot, and it's a try not to talk in 3 minutes challenge. So yeah, I just passed 3 minute mark. If y'all gonna do it, man, just let me know if y'all where y'all got it from. But yeah, I just thought of this right off the spot, man. To be doing no talking at all in 3 minutes challenge. So the no talking in 3 minutes challenge. That's what I'm gonna call it. I just made it up on the spot, just now. So man, if you enjoyed this video, I know it was hard for me not to talk and say nothing to y'all. But yeah, man, it's Real Sky. If you enjoyed this, man, smash the like button, request anything. I'm just trying to do different stuff on my channel. And I hope y'all enjoy this, man. Smash the like button, request anything in the comment section down below. And of course, hit the subscribe button, bro. And yeah, man, donate to my PayPal, my Cash out there, both be in the description box below. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'll catch y'all next time, man. Peace.